Hello, I'm Sophia, and I'm here to guide you through using the essential features of the Song Nhi app for effective financial management. Let's begin with 5 common features. First feature, Chat with Song Nhi. On the right of the desktop, you can see the chat box and just scroll down, then select some options that Song Nhi suggests for you. Or you can type everything you need Song Nhi's help. You can also use the voice chat feature to speak and send messages to Song Nhi. Second feature, view deleted transaction history. Tap on the transaction history model, and you'll be navigated to the history screen. Click the filter icon next to the sort icon in the top right of the screen. In the filter feature, click the show only deleted transactions toggle button to switch from off to on. Then click apply. History list will show you a list of deleted transactions you want to see. Third feature, search for a transaction you want to see in history list with keywords. Tap to the search icon. In the history screen, click the search icon at the top of the screen. Enter keywords in the search bar, then type keywords related to the name of the transaction you want to search. Fourth feature, sort transactions. Adjust the sort order of your transaction list you prefer date, amount, newest to oldest / oldest to newest. Tap to sort icon. In the history screen, click the sort button at the top of the screen. Select types. Select the sort order of transactions you want to view. Date amount, oldest to newest, newest to oldest. Then click apply. History list shows the sort order of transactions that correspond to your selected types. Fifth feature, pin page. Quickly access the pages you visit often by pinning them to the home menu. In this example, I want to pin the page which I use for the search transaction feature. Tap to pin icon. In transaction detail, click pin icon, and then you'll be navigated to the pin page screen. From the pin page, you can choose the icon and color as you want, then click save. A new pinned page will appear in the home menu. Thank you for watching my tutorial video. Now it's time for you to take action and experience the power of Song Nhi. Start tracking your expenses, setting budgets, and gaining control over your financial journey with ease.